Hey, Alexis Love Beauties and Flawless Men. So I just wanted to remind you, be sure to take care of your hands and your feet so you can have the softest skin on earth and so you can just be comfortable. So you can get this exfoliating foot mask from the dollar store. They're only $3.85. I seen them at Family Dollar, or you can also purchase them offline. They may cost a little bit more, but these really do work. They literally like pull off, decades of dead skin that you may have had on your feet. So I really do recommend these. It takes the process about a week or two to actually let them fully peel. So in between time, you just want to keep your feet and hands up with your pumice stone. You always want to use your pumice stone for your hands. Make sure you have a different stone for your hands and your feet. And then also make sure you have a different nail filer for your hands and your feet. And then also you can go in with your calcium nail polish, which really works. It helps to keep your fingernails healthy, thick, strong, and they grow longer. Absolutely love this. And then also be sure when you're using your pumice stone that you use a soap. That way you're not using them dry. I like to keep mine on the sink, and every time I wash my hands, I like to use my stone. Now the routine for my feet is just put this mask on, wait the 2 weeks until it peel, and then after that peel, I just go in every shower, every bath with the stone just to keep that maintenance up. Because this does take a little time for them to fully peel, I'm thinking of just having the foot peel once every 2 months because you can't overdo it because technically it'll just be getting done. So this is a good routine to do once every 2 months, and then in between time just do your pumice stone. So I just wanted to stop by and let you all know that again. I'm going to link the other two videos down below. Be sure to watch the videos on how to have the softest hands and the softest feet on earth. As you can see, I'm already working towards my weekend nails. Alexis loves you. Mwah.